Hello everyone, I thought I'd give you a tour of my 2014 Ocean Kayak Prowler Big Game 2. I'll show you a couple of the add-ons that I did. I was able to pick up the rudder from Austin Kayak. They had a great price on it, and shipping was quick, easy. Ocean does a great job of having the kayak prep for the rudder. All the points already have the mounting screws already set in. One little add-on I managed to pick up, I picked up this little box at Canadian Tire on sale. It sort of went with the motif of the Prowler 2 and the camo look. Should afford a lot of storage space. Seemed to fit into the back storage area quite easily. Seemed to be actually a perfect fit. The only thing I had to do was add 4 J-hooks to it and use the bungees that were already installed and held in nicely. The Prowler Big Game 2 comes with 6 mounting boards, as you can see, on 3 on each side. It's great for mounting any accessories that you want to put on. Back area here, I've got 2 ram mount balls ready. I'm still waiting for delivery of the rod holders. The rudder, actually, it was pretty easy to install. Just had to unscrew the old footboards out and replace them with the ones that come with the kit. Just 3 screws on each side. Just one thing you got to remember is that the 2 front screws hold the cables for the suspension bag inside, which holds your battery. I'll get to that in a second. I added a Lowrance Elite 4 HDI fish finder. All I did was on this one side you can see the Lowrance scupper hole mount for the transducer. I had to modify it a little bit. The transducer seemed to hang a little bit lower than I like. It still hangs a bit. I'd like it to be tucked up a little bit more than it is underneath, but it's a lot better than it was. Just brought the cable up in, tucked it underneath, and I drilled out the one hole at the back and slipped the cables up through. I had to just change this a little bit, or sand these down a little bit. It wouldn't quite fit through, so I just sanded them down and slipped it on through. The battery cable went back in through the other way, so there was room. Added 2 Scotty rod holders onto the mounting plates. All I did was replace the front 2 mounting holes, or the 2 mounting screws, with longer screws. I had to open up the holes on the Scotty mount here and on the mounting board a little bit in order for the screws to fit. The sizing or the width between the two are a little bit different from the mounting board to the Scotty mount. So in order to accommodate that, I just used a larger drill, opened the holes up a little bit, and worked fine. Maybe Ocean can talk to their R&D guys and make that a standard fit. Also added the anchor trolley. A couple hardened pulleys. I picked up some cordage from I think it was Princess Auto that just happened to be camo colored, so sort of went along with the theme of the boat. All the way up to the front. Got a couple ram mounts that will be going up near the front, possibly, for a camera and any other accessories I see in the future. I changed out the suspended battery bag underneath, and I just happened to have an old cigar caddy that I converted into my battery bag. I used a couple of dollar store dog collars and replaced the snaps and on the 4 lines that come down for the suspended bag. Put the snaps on there and fasten the dog collars to the bottom of the cigar caddy. This way I can snap it in and out real quick and bring the battery in for recharge whenever I need to. I'll give you a quick look inside the hull from another view. Looks like it's a little dark in there, but the battery is suspended nicely off the bottom of the deck, and in a waterproof case as well. I'll give you a quick look at the transducer underneath. I guess the HDI transducer is a little bit bigger than some, maybe, and could be the reason why it hangs down a little bit more, but I had to modify the Lowrance scupper hole mount, and so that I could get it up a little bit higher anyways. It's not too bad, but if I drag the boat along anywhere, I might end up scraping the transducer a little bit. Ocean Kayak puts the mount for the paddle. There's holes ready on either side of the boat, depending on what side you want to mount your paddle holder. I just, for my paddle holder leash, I just picked up a set of foam cord from the dollar store. This is actually half the length, so I can make two out of it. Little bit of Velcro, cheap carabiner, and you can put it wherever we want. Other than that, that's about it. Seems to be a great boat. Can't wait to get it on the water. Hopefully in the next week or so I'll take it out on its maiden voyage.